Okay, I'm going to show you everything you need to get universal control on your iPad and your Mac computer. Really need an iPad anyway. I've listed out every Mac that is compatible with universal control. Let's go into settings on our iPad. Let's go to software update. Make sure that that it is updated to 15.4, the latest version. Okay, let's go back and check AirPlay and handoff. Make sure both of those are checked, and they are. Cool. Okay, let's get out of here. I'm just going to click on the home button, double click it, and I'm not using my iPad, so I can't sweep it out. I got to actually use my fingers, sweep it out. Come on. All right, there we go. Now, let's go to, I want to go to System Preferences. System Preferences, okay. We're in System Preferences. Let's go ahead and click on Displays. Oh, you got to be in the same iCloud as the iPad, signed into the same iCloud as iPad. Okay, let's check here, add a display, make sure that's checked. It's got to be checked. Okay, let's go into Universal Control. I've got all three of them checked. You definitely need the first two, but I got all three. Okay, let's clear out of here. Okay, let's go back up to, I've listed all, okay, let's, about this Mac. Alright, we need to check our OS version, Mac OS Monterey version 12.3. You'll need that on your Mac. Okay, let's get out of there and click out of there. And this is winding down now. It's almost to the end. Almost. And that's about all. I enjoyed making this. It's kind of cool. Have fun with universal control. And I'll see you later.